Hi, welcome back to the Moose Shop. I just got done making this wall mount iPhone holder contraption that you mount it to the wall above your bed, and you'll be able to put your iPhone on it and be able to watch, whatever you want on your phone, hands free. So, hey, is that thing done yet? Oh, come on. All I gotta do is put a finish on it and hang it on the wall, and it'll be ready. Well, I got my knee surgeries tomorrow. I'm gonna be in rehab, laying on the bed. I want to use that. I want to watch my friends on YouTube. I know. And relax. I know. So anyway, come on. Yeah. So it turned out pretty nice. Simple make, but it might be very useful. See what happens. So if you're interested, stick around. I'll show you how I did it. As I'm sketching out the parts here, I want to let you know that the design of this extended arm contraption was inspired by Jeremy Schmidt, one of my favorite YouTubers, and he used this for a camera arm extension for his shop. I'll put a link to his videos down below. Check him out. Awesome YouTuber. All right, we got all the parts sketched out. Now these are the three parts that hold the arms together. And I got the drill holes with the be in line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to double-sided tape another piece of board, plywood underneath it, so that when I cut these out, these three parts will be identical. I need two of each. Alright, so now it's time to make the arms. And what I'm going to do here is I need to make little slots, dado slots say, so that the pins fit in there and they move freely. And to do so, I raise the blade half the diameter of the pin, and then to make it half the full diameter of the pin, the slot, I'm going to insert a drill bit that's actually half the size of this pin. Make a pass, take the drill bit out, run it back up against the stop, and make another pass, and you end up having a nice tight fit. Alright, so we're going to glue these together so that the pins fit real nice. So the arms are all glued up and set, and so the next step, what I like to do, is gather my pieces together to set them up to get them, set them together and round all the edges off and start assembling this. now I'm going to glue up the wall mount. And what I think I'm going to do is, after I put it together, I'll run some type of a Band-Aid on the outside to reinforce it, because I'm going to end grain on here. Alright, so all the parts are cut out and it's ready to be assembled. So let's put this thing together and see how it's going to work. Nice. Works pretty good. Now we'll glue the part that mounts to the wall, and then it'll be able to swivel off of this. So here you can change this up a little bit. See, now I'm going to mount this thing directly to the wall. Now you could come up with other ideas like clamping it to your headboard, or whatever suits your bedroom situation. So I have this tripod that I use every once in a while, this little guy. And what I want to do is I want to use the top of it. And I just so happen to find a bolt that fits in these threads. And this came off of like an old microphone stand. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole into the end of the extended arms and then epoxy this. And that way there I can take this off and then put it back on my little tripod, so I don't sacrifice this. It'll be able to be used for both devices. Okay, so I got the threads epoxied in there and nice and dry. So let's glue this on. I gotta tell you something, I'm really liking this thing. It really works good. You sit here, watch your videos, you don't have to hold on to your phone, especially like when those guys start waffling on for about 20 minutes or so. Hands free, just relax, don't worry about it, and then when you're done, you just fold it up. and fold it, push it up against the wall. Done deal. Works really well, pretty sturdy. Yeah, like I said, I'm liking it a lot. So if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and I'll see you soon.